camera what we're doing.
Hi, we're taking pictures of Tegan.
What is she doing?
She's eating.
Yeah, what's she eating?
She's eating fruit, and Mommy is eating corn, and Daddy with me, and Butter with the corn. What? Where's the woman? Yeah, I know. Look at that.
Ready, Buster boy?
Yeah.
Big bite. Yeah.
Yeah, you're a good eater. And look at you. I think you're bigger than my daddy.
I am your daddy. Come here, Bush.
Oh.
All right.
Let's see what. Oh.
All right, keep the camera on little Tegan here.
Why?
She's the fun one. She's the fun little eater. Look at her. Yes.
Oh yes, look at her go. I'll just move back. Oh, that's good. Oh yes, you are so pretty. And there's Emma.
Good girl.
Why?
Because everyone wants to see her.
We're gonna send this to Grammy and Papa and Grandma and Papa.
Ah.
Ready, Bush? Yeah. Looking good. Hey, how'd you get that on your nose?
Daddy feeding Tegan. And Tegan is eating.
Good.
Well,
Yeah.
he's getting bigger every day. Daddy, you're bigger than the bed. I've been taping you.
Hey, cutie. Has she been taping you? Gotta get my little assy on there. Oop.
Tape, Dad, tape.
That's a stern face. That's a stern face.